lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick packaging and product review for a company named Function of Beauty. My lovely friend Nay was able to gift me with one of their shampoos and conditioners, and I am really excited that I have them now, just because I know you are supposed to pay more attention to all the ingredients that are in your products. Not all of them are good for you, like sulfate for example, and I personally am using drugstore products at the moment, so I was really excited once I got these. So I'm not going to talk too much about it, let's just get right into the video. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a packaging and a product review, so let's see how it goes. So here is the package that my friend Nay got me for my birthday. Thank you, Nay, once again. She saw that I was doing more hair stuff on my YouTube channel, and so she was really supportive and thoughtful by getting this amazing Function of Beauty package for me. So as you can see, I have already opened it up because I was so excited and I wanted to say thank you. So this is the package. I will open it up again for you. I didn't actually use any of the products. I just opened it to see what comes inside. So they give you this whole sticker sheet. It says Function of Beauty, so that you can decorate your bottles. Like, how cute is that? And then there was this little pamphlet that kind of tells you your goals, your fragrance, the profile that she had to get from me. It is also vegan and cruelty free, and it says Function of Nikki, so it's really customized and super, super cute. It also came with a cute little birthday message. So thank you again, Nay. This was really thoughtful. And then there's just some more information about the products, which I can tell you guys about in a moment. So here is how the shampoo and the conditioner, you can't really see, oh there. This is how the shampoo and the conditioner come. And you can see the pumps are right here. So I actually have to put it together. Inside the box, they have this message. It says, love your shelf. And they tell you that the products are vegan, cruelty-free, sulfate, and paraben-free. And they also let you know that it's sustainability focused. This is really cute, this little illustration as well. They tell you that you have the shampoo, conditioner, they also have a leave-in, they have a hair mask, and they have a hair serum. And then it's their Instagram handle. I just thought that was really thoughtful of their packaging, a good way to advertise their other products. But it's good just because if I do try this conditioner and the shampoo, I will most likely go back to their website and see what other products they have and customize it to my hair and my needs. I cleared out the box here just so you guys can see the cute little doodles that come inside the box. I know this is just like a cardboard box, but I think they put in so much detail. I think it's really, really cute and such a good idea. Shows the brand's personality for sure. Well, I'm gonna try and put these in. So the first one we are gonna be doing is the conditioner. So I'll open that up. I've already got the pumps ready. That we won't, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Ooh. It smells really, really, really good. So we're just gonna put that in, twist it up. And there we go, that's the conditioner, fully done now. Ah, it smells so good. So my friend Nay, she got me the nude peach and medium. That's the fragrance that I got. So nude peach medium, and that's the shampoo. So now all I need to do is decorate with my stickers, and then we should be good to go. So let me do one sticker just so you guys can see. Which one should I use? I like this girl with the curly hair because, you know, that's what I'm trying to get to. Let's go with Good Hair Day. I feel like that's something I want. So we're gonna do a good hair day. I'm gonna stick it on. Let's put on the conditioner because I feel like conditioner is super important to having a good hair day. There you go. Good hair day. So cute. And then we can do a second one for the shampoo. I love Queen. That's so nice. I'm gonna do this girl with the curly hair because that is what I want. I want this luscious, beautiful curly hair. So we're gonna put her on the shampoo. Maybe we'll put it this way so she's standing up correctly. There you go. There she is. So I'm gonna decorate this and then I'll show you guys what I finally end up with. Hey guys, I realized that the bottles also say function of Nikki. Like, it's super customized. I thought it only said it on the pamphlet, but it also says it on the bottles, which I think is so cool. Here we go. Function of Nikki on the shampoo and on the conditioner. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, so here is my shampoo bottle. Like you guys saw, I put this lovely girl with her curly hair. I added some cake. The function of Nikki, I put a little star and a unicorn. For the conditioner, like you guys saw, I put on the Good Hair Day. I put some champagne, the Queen one, because I love that. Function of Nikki, I put it with a flower because I love flowers. That was fun. That was fun to customize my already customized products and bottle. It was really cool. Hey guys, so I just came out of the shower with both the shampoo and the conditioner. So I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about my hair profile first, and then we'll go into the separate products and what the pamphlet tells us and what my own personal thoughts are on these products. For my profile, I gave them curly, coarse, and dry. Well, I gave that to my friend Nay and then she entered it in. And then for goals, I wanted anti-frizz, a deep condition, fixing my split ends, and then length. That's one of my main things. And then for the fragrance, like I mentioned, it is Nude Peach and Medium. And that's for both of the products. And so then they go into your personalized regimen based off of the products that I've got. So they say to shake both of the products before using it. I think any of their products really, they want you to shake it before using it. For the shampoo, it says to lather shampoo with water in your hands before massaging into scalp. Use fingers to distribute products from roots to ends, working your way through the length of your hair. So that's what I tried to do when I was using the shampoo. And then for the conditioner, it says apply quarter-size amount of conditioner to ends and work your way up to the roots. Allow conditioner to set for 3 to 4 minutes and then rinse thoroughly with cold water. So that's something I did as well. In terms of my hair goals, this is what these products are going to do for me. So for anti-frizz, it's going to hydrate and soften my hair texture while protecting strands from frizz, static, and breakage. For deep condition, the conditioner is going to moisturize and deeply condition my hair from inside out to repair damage from heat and or chemical processing, which I haven't really done heat for a long time, which I told you guys in my last video. Don't mind, my hair is drying, so it's getting like a little whoop. And then fix split ends. They said these products are going to help to smooth, coat, and seal my split ends for a sleek hair surface while building moisture content to prevent future split ends. That's obviously, these are more like long-term results. I only used it for the first time today, so I'm not gonna see all of this now. And then hydrate. So it's gonna restore my hair's moisture balance, prevent future moisture loss, and treat my hair with long-lasting hydration. Ooh. My hair is pretty dry, so I am really excited to get the benefits of that. And then lengthen, which is my main goal, as you guys know if you have been following my other videos. So these products are gonna promote healthy hair and scalp for longer, stronger locks. So that is what I'm excited for long term. In terms of my initial thoughts and what I think about these products, first of all, they smell delicious, like you guys probably saw when I was unpacking.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
For the shampoo, I really liked it. It wasn't too thick or sticky or anything like that. I will say I needed more than 2 pumps, I would say, of the product. My hair isn't too thick, but it does have, you know, volume to it, and it needed quite a bit of the shampoo to really lather up. But other than that, my hair does feel pretty clean. And like I said, the long-term benefits I'm gonna see through a few washes. So we'll see how that goes. But overall, I feel like it's good, and I love that it's clean. They really reiterate that in the pamphlet. One of their main things, there's 3 points. They say, you're about to lather your locks in a blend of clean, science-backed ingredients to help you reach your hair goals. Like, how exciting is that? And then they say, a team of eco-conscious, MIT-trained scientists made it fancy, huh? And then they just tell you that this booklet tells me a little bit more about the products. But yeah, so far I feel like I'm pretty happy with it based off of the first wash. And then they also go in depth with the ingredients, which there's a big list there, just to prove that it really is clean. So we'll see how the long-term benefits go for that. For the conditioner, I was really happy with this too. The texture is really nice, not sticky once again. And this one I felt like I just needed like 2 pumps. It says a quarter size, but I did need a little bit more once again for this product. And like they said, I put it from the bottom up to the top. Not really touching my roots per se, but mainly focusing on my ends for the split ends. But yeah, I feel all in all, these are pretty good products based off of my first wash. I'll try and give an update maybe in a month or 2 just to see if there is a real difference in my hair. You guys can see now, this is literally post-wash. Nothing is in it right now, no products, no nothing. And I rinsed out the shampoo and the conditioner too, of course. So this is my hair. We'll see how it goes. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you really enjoyed this packaging and product review. Let me know if you are interested in seeing more videos kind of like this. I'm still trying to gauge what kind of videos I want to do. I know I've switched to hair a lot more recently. I've always wanted to do my hair stuff, but it's not necessarily my main focus. So I'm open to doing other videos as well. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Please comment below any tips you have for me moving forward, and we'll chat soon. See you guys.